Hi guys, how are you doing? Well, in today's video, I am sharing how I pack my hats for vacation. It is a common question I get asked, how do I pack my hats so they don't get squished? If you're just taking a carry-on, obviously they have cute little hooks now. You can just hook them to your bag, but if you're putting it in a suitcase, that is what this video is for. So you can see I have all my clothes here. We're getting ready to go on a trip. I will do this a few different ways, but most of the time I put my clothes to the zippered side of a hard-sided suitcase. So basically I have like swimwear cover-ups here, underwear here, some shirts down there in a packing cube, just a few little things. These are t-shirts, shorts, pants, like kind of bottoms. And then a lot of times, if I'm just bringing one pair of jeans, like this is a white jean, I roll it up. And then I have a sweatshirt and a pair of lounge shorts. So basically I will take the jeans out here so you can see. What I do, there are other hats and a visor under here. You could put socks, scarves, underwear, swimsuits, anything soft in here to keep its shape. And what I do is I lay it flat on the bottom and then I just pack everything around it, you can see, so that the brim stays flat and then nothing is messing with the top of the hat to lose its shape. Now this is a fairly flexible hat, meaning it's kind of packable. I could probably roll it up a little bit, but I do like this part to keep its shape. So I typically just pack it this way. Again, for all the bottoms, you can see it is literally just laying flat on the bottom of the suitcase. To me, I found that is the easiest way. I pack that first, and then I just kind of nestle everything in around. All right, so sharing a little bit of how I pack because you guys seem to love these videos. This is a road trip, so I definitely pack a little different than if I need to be super conservative and pack everything and make sure the weight limit in either just a carry-on bag or a checked bag for the airport. So I'm a little more lax and taking more things than I need. So a lot of times I will take this carry-on. This is a newer carry-on for me. I have shared it before, but I'm absolutely loving it. And I will take things like my shoes, my expensive bags, makeup, things like that. So that is what this little hole right here is for, is my makeup bag. And I still probably have a little bit of more room. This purse right here has some belts inside. That's a great way to pack things, is just nestle things in other bags, especially like if you're just carrying on like a tote bag and a carry-on suitcase. That's a great way to pack more. And then I just have my shoes in here. A lot of times I will put my shoes in little packing type bags, but because they aren't really up against anything else in here and I already have one pair, then I just left them out. If they were gonna be near clothes or anything like that, I would totally do that. So just have some flip-flops here. These are a pair of nicer heels here, a pair of sandals. Again, my makeup bag will go there. This is a clutch. It's like harder. So I kind of like it nestled in between something that nothing's going to happen to it. So I just put my shoes here, the bigger wedges. You can see on the bottom, that's going to be like my pool, beach bag, daytime tote. It's a straw bag. It fits really nicely there. I have also, when I've taken this bag before, it's great to put little pouches of jewelry in if you want. Again, put those things inside. I don't need to do that this time, so I put my jewelry in this little packing case from Amazon. I've shared that before. And again, that just lays on here. And if I didn't say it before, this is a carry-on size bag, so it is smaller, but it is the larger carry-on. In my Gucci bag here, I have something inside of here. I'll have to look to see what it is. I don't know if it's socks or what it is, but I know I put something inside of here and then put it in the dust bag. It's white, so I put it in the dust bag just in case, for a little bit safer keeping. So that's basically just how I pack things like that. And so I'd shared here on how to pack my hat. And then these are just how I pack the clothes around it. And then on this side, I had a little bit more room than I anticipated, so I may move some things around, but this big packing cube, and I haven't taken one this size in quite some time. This is all my dresses or nicer things I might want to wear to dinner. Again, because we're driving, I'm taking several extra outfits because I just did not know what I wanted to wear this trip. It's just one of those. I love it when I have specific things picked out and I'll maybe just bring one extra item. It makes it a lot easier. For those times where I don't know what I want to wear, I end up overpacking like most people, but I've been pretty good about it over the years not doing that. So anyway, that's why this is a pretty large packing cube. Packing cubes to me make things so much easier because even though these aren't technically compression cubes, you can, you know, smash things down a little bit as you're zipping and it definitely compresses it down than just having, you know, this would stick up probably 2+ inches higher if I didn't use those. This is, we ended up getting this, you know, larger size because it was such a good deal. Typically, I would have all my sunscreen in this little bag, even the small spray sunscreen, but because that does not fit, it has to sit on top. And then these are some hair products, travel steamer, nail file, nail polish, stuff like that, just in case. Turby twist and hot tool, silk pillowcase, mirror. This is a rechargeable fan. I just left it in the box. You don't have to, but I think I need to charge it. And I just thought, you know what, I'll leave it in the box for right now because I have room. This is all the self-tanning supplies. In case I want to reapply, I'll add my gradual tan lotion to it tonight after I use it. And toiletry bag. And then, like I said, I showed you the sunscreen. And then my husband usually takes a few things you know, in his bag. We try to like mix and match so to evenly distribute the weight. So again, this is a little more room than usual, but when we are driving, I just don't think about it. You know, if I want to take extra bag, I do. You know, if not, I don't. You know, I like not stressing, but I actually find it easier to take just a carry-on or one bag because I'm really good then about paring down and all that. And then you can see when obviously I'm not. I'll take everything when we're driving. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye.